Yo, what's going on everyone? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can place an item or sell an item on Dubizzle. So what you gotta do is you're gonna go place an ad right down below. It's the red and white icon. Then you're gonna select your location. I'm gonna be selecting Dubai. Now what you should do is, if you're selling any product or any item like a PS4 game, maybe towels or something like that, you should go on classifieds. Yeah, so I'm gonna be clicking it right now. Then this is the most important step. You should come up with a catchy title. So something as simple as, if I'm selling a shirt like this, an XL Nike dry fit shirt. So I'm going to be typing it right now, and yeah, let's see what happens after that. Alright guys, so what the AI is now doing is they're going to look at your tile, and based on what they see, the Dubizzle AI is going to search just a category for you. So highly recommend you clicking the first one as it applies to something that you're selling. You're going to go now and you're going to probably add pictures. So I've selected 3 lovely pictures for me to add, so I'm going to be selecting those pictures. Yeah, so I'm doing it right now. 1, 2, 3, select. And yeah, it's going to be loading right now. So if someone's going to be buying your stuff or seeing your stuff, they're going to be looking at those pictures if they're planning to buy your item. So yeah, once that's done, you can either include your phone number if you want. I would recommend you do it if you want to sell that product, that item really quickly. So I'm doing a nice description right now. So I'm just gonna be like, I'm selling this for 20 dirhams, and that it's maybe negotiable the price, because the whole idea of Dubizzle is people will negotiate their price because they want the best deal, right? So over here you're gonna go age. I've had it for 1 to 2 years, so I'm gonna be putting 1 to 2 years. Usage, how much you use it. I've probably used it a lot, right? So the condition, perfect inside out, and because I live in Dubai Marina, I'm going to be selecting Dubai Marina right here. And obviously when you meet up with this guy, you call him, you WhatsApp him, you can give him your exact location. So I went on next right now. I'm going to click on keep it standard for free. And there are these other promotional things if you want your advert to appear for others. So yeah, click on that, pay. What Dubizzle is going to do right now is it's going to be under review, so it's going to take about 10 to 15 minutes for it to be under review. Don't worry guys, it's going to be fully safe, fully free. It's all going to work out. So yeah, so you go right there, you check your ads. It's going to take around 10-15 minutes, but yeah, that's guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please make sure you do all that good stuff.